Luckily, I got my Premier Valley. It's made my life so much better. If you or someone you love has a mobility issue that could lead to a slip in a tub or shower, you owe it to yourself to call Premier Valley.